love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always.
So today is a NumPy, so numerical pi lesson 7, and what we are going to be seeing is there's something called as an array shape. There is an array shape and there is an array reshape. So in this lesson we are going to be seeing only about array shape. Technically this is our lesson 44 in the panda family, but lesson number 7 in the numerical pi. So what is the shape of an array? The shape of an array is a number of elements in each dimensions. If you want to get the shape of an array, the NumPy array has an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. Now, how do I actually say this? If I want to find the shape of the array, this is what it is, and I go here and I actually put this. I say import NumPy as NP. Array, we all know this 2-dimensional. I'm going to say what is the shape of this array. I'm going to run this. It's 2, 4. Because it is 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple, right? Now, if you want to create an array with 5 dimensions using ndim, using a vector with values 1, 2, 3, 4, and verify the last dimension has a value 4, the way you would actually do it is like this. You import a NumPy, you have an array, and then you say ndim, ndmin, and then you print the array, and then you say print shape of the array, and this is the array shape. So when you run this, this is what it is going to give. It's going to say the shape of the array is like this. Okay. So what does a shape tuple means? We talked about tuple many times. But what does it mean? The integers at every index tells you about the number of elements the corresponding dimension has. So in the example above at index -4, we do have a value 4. So we can say that the fifth is the 4 plus 1th dimension. It has 4 elements. So this is the example. Okay, it's always this example. This is how we actually say what is a tuple and stuff of that nature. The array, and what is this array shape, and this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, because here there is nothing there. So this is the shape of the array. Now you use the correct NumPy method to change the shape of an array from 1-dimensional to 2-dimensional. Okay, and likewise vice versa from 2-dimensional to 1-dimensional. And how do we actually do it? This is a 2-dimensional array. We take this, we put it. Array, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6, and then we actually change to -1, so we make it 1 dimension. So let's actually see. And since we are not printing in anything, it actually gives like this. Now if I say like okay, print new ARR shape, let's see, 12, okay. Now if I say print ARR shape, let's see what it gives. 2, 6, because it is 2 and 6. Okay, so that is how when you actually reshape, this gives 12, so you guys saw it yourself. All right, this is what explains about the shape, and in next chapter we'll be talking about reshape. Okay, so like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree, following me to follow my passion. So till we see next time, you take care, cheers, and if you have any questions, you know where to contact me. All right, thank you very much.